So now let us see the next concept in the SQL. So that is set manipulation operators. Okay. So actually, if you know the mathematics set theory, so whatever concept there, the same thing we are going to apply here actually. But this is in case of data actually. That means in the database on the columns you are applying this set manipulation operators. Okay. So that means between the records you are applying this set manipulation operators. So let us see, first of all, what is this one? The following rules you must hold if you whenever you are applying set R and set S. For example, those are the two relations. That means those are the two tables actually. So these two rules you must apply actually. So those are things. The first one is R and S must have the same quantity of attributes actually. What does it mean? For example, I am simply doing relation R union relation S. What does it mean actually? For example, relation R have attribute A, attribute B, attribute C. And relation S have relation, for example, P for Q, R, and S it have. So when you are performing union, how many number of attributes here we have? Here also you must have same actually, but here you have 3, but here you have 4. So that is what actually he is saying, both must have same. So for example, if I remove yes, only 3 attributes we have actually. So that is what the first rule. And after that, attribute domains must be compatible. So this is another next one, important one actually. So that if you observe, these two data types, so domains, corresponding attribute domains must be compatible. So that means a domain of A, domain of P, that means the data type must be same. Then only you can combine them. For example, A, B, C, A have data 1, 2, B have data, for example, small a, small b, C have data, for example, 2.4, 3.6. Now, P, Q, R, that means A data type is integer. And here, for example, P data type is char. That means what we are going to have A, P, Q. So for example, we have these values actually. When you combine these two, A, P, Q are 1, 2, then A, P, Q, you are going to have. That is under one column. Now, if you see what is the data type of this if you combine, because whatever data under P is going to under A actually. Is it done? Now, here it is integer. If here it is integer, here if it is char, so that is what not compatible. So that is why attribute domains must be compatible correspondingly. So that meaning is what? First attribute in the first relation, first attribute in the second relation must be same. Similarly, third in the both relations. Like that, how many attributes you have? Corresponding attribute domains must be same in both the relations actually. So that is what another thing you must ensure. And another rule is duplicate tuples get automatically eliminated. Of course, this is fine. So for example, assume this is now both the uh, here both the domains are same, assume. So that means this is also uh, compatible. So for example, here we have a data 2b 3.6, that is possible. And that means this is integer, this is char, and this is float, assume. And correspondingly PQ are also same domains actually, because 1 and 2 you are satisfying. And the third one, what is meaning of third one? For example, 3x 7.2, 4y 6.4. Now when you combine these two, that means that may be union, that may be intersection, that may be minus. But ultimately, if you go for the union, this record, and this record already there actually, duplicates automatically you are eliminating. This and this you will get actually, especially in case of union only. In case of intersection, common things anyhow you will select. And in case of minus, something is happening actually. So those things we will see individually in the next lectures. But here, if you understand, duplicates automatically going to eliminate by set manipulation operators. So try to understand these three rules must hold when you are applying set manipulation operators, that is union, intersection, and minus section. So what is the first one? Number of attributes in the first relation and in the second relation must be same, corresponding domains must be same, and of course duplicates automatically it is going to eliminate. So that is what, if first two if you are ensuring, automatically third one is going to ensure by the SQL actually. So this is what first of all rules for using set manipulation operators. So in the next lecture, let us see union, intersection and minus together actually. Okay.